Pursuing a century-old exquisite tradition in gear technology, Gearspect, a global engineering giant from Czech Republic, decided to build its footprint in India in 2011. Today, Gearspect India has been acknowledged and praised for its accurate gear measuring instruments which meet the needs of manifold customers from automobile and manufacturing industry in India and abroad. Our full-fledged in-house product development facility in India for design, manufacturing, quality control, electronic assembly and software programming make sure that Gearspect India remains adhered to provide custom-built solutions for gear inspection. Our team of skilled technicians were trained at company headquarters in Czech Republic with its exclusive craftsmanship. Our precision manufacturing facility is first of its kind in India, which produces grinding part accuracy of less than 2 microns. Also, we use the first principle meteorology methods for inspection of parts which are produced in-house. During final assembly, our skilled technician use hand scraping methods to achieve the stringent geometric accuracies of our measuring instruments. Gearspect India has been bringing a paradigm shift by setting up newer standards of high-precision gear technology required for modern industries such as electric vehicles, aerospace and research institutions. Our gear measuring solutions comprises a wide gamut of products which are developed as per our customer needs. For geometrical inspection of gear teeth, we offer lead, profile and pitch testing machines. Starting from the base model of DO3PC, we have developed a modern CNC version. For functional testing of gears, we provide double flank roll testers and single flank roll testers. Pioneering the fields in more ways than one, we are the first manufacturer of gear geometric accuracy measuring machines in India, and we are only Indian supplier of motion transmission error testing solution which is used globally by high-precision gear producers. We also provide customized solutions for spine inspection, runout and PCD gauging which are augmented with basic gear roll testing. Our products are unique in terms of accuracy and precision of inspection results, which are in compliance with international accreditations such as UCAS laboratory standards. Our client base in India and across the continents is the testimony of our relentless perseverance for quality and precision. Carrying forward the legacy in the new millennium, Gearspect India, with its unyielding commitment of providing cost-effective and precise gear measuring solutions, is set to move the industry into high gear.